I've been testing packs for my summer travels, and I'm focusing on smaller personal item packs that can fit under the seat on an airplane. Cabin Zero makes great inexpensive packs using high quality materials and simple designs. They make two packs that would work great as personal items, the classic 28, and then what I have here is the military 28. They have similar dimensions and capacity, but I prefer the military version here because it has a much better backpack carry system than the classic. There's no standard size for personal items, and the dimensions will vary widely depending on the airline. This pack makes really good use of space, coming in at a large 28 liters while only having dimensions of 15.7 long by 11.8 wide by 5 inches wide, or 40 by 30 by 15 centimeters. This bag will easily fit on budget US carriers personal item size like Spirit, Frontier, American, and it's very close to fitting on the more restrictive airlines like Ryanair. However, this thing is quite squishy, so as long as you don't overpack it, you should be fine on almost any airline. Cabin Zero doesn't skimp on materials, and they managed to use great fabric and hardware on a pack that I bought off their website for $70. The fabric is 1000 denier basket weave nylon. It's a great high quality fabric, good balance of weight, durability, and texture. It's a little bit smaller weave than something like a 1680 denier nylon, but it has better abrasion resistance. It's a little bit larger than something like a 500 denier nylon, but this is going to be a little bit smoother than that. In addition to that great fabric, they also managed to use these high quality zippers and hardware. The military 28 has these large number 10 YKK locking zippers on the main compartment, and then number 5s on the smaller exterior slash pocket and interior divider pockets. They also use these large high quality nylon Duraflex buckles and adjusters throughout the pack. The exterior of the military 28 has some features that make it work great as a travel backpack, including a comfortable backpack carry system, top and side carry handles, a water bottle pocket, 4 side compression straps, and then this MOLLE webbing on the back if you want to attach accessories. There's only one exterior pocket on the military 28. It's this large side access slash pocket that runs pretty much the full length of the bag. This pocket has its own volume, takes up the entire front panel of the pack. You can hold a ton of gear in here. However, there is no further interior organizational pockets. The water bottle pocket lays flat on the side. You can open it up, this little button, and it has a little stretchy thing here to expand it out. However, this thing is really tiny. See, I can barely fit my hand in there, and no water bottle I own will fit in here. It's way too small for any kind of normal sized water bottle, something maybe super thin, or a good place for like a little travel umbrella or a travel tripod. These compression straps, however, work really great. There's 4 of them, 2 on each side of the pack. This bag is pretty small, it makes great use of space, but having these extra compression straps here really allow you to squish the bag down and fit a ton of gear in here. The carry system on the Cabin Zero Military 28 is really good for being such a small, compact, relatively inexpensive bag. They have wide padded shoulder straps, thick back padding, top load adjusters, and an adjustable sternum strap. These shoulder straps are 2.5 inches wide. They have a thick foam padding and this breathable mesh back. They attach permanently to the bag on the top and the bottom. It also has a great adjustable sternum strap, large buckle, little stretchy thing here to make it more comfortable, and then this little strap keeper here so you can, when you get adjusted to your size, you can lock this away so that it's not dangling in front of you. Looking from the side, you can see how padded the back is. This is soft, squishy foam, offers enough padding and protection, also being quite comfortable with a nice air ventilation channel that runs along the sides in the middle. One thing this pack doesn't have is a waist strap. However, I don't really think you need one on a pack this small. The military 28 opens from the top in this large front panel zipper that goes down about 3/4 of the length of the pack, giving you access to the large interior main compartment. This large main compartment works great for packing cubes and your large bulky items. This 10 by 14 compression cube fits perfectly in the bottom of the bag. And then for smaller items, there are 2 pockets here, an opaque one, and then a little mesh pocket here on the lid. And there's also a thin laptop sleeve on this side. The back side is padded with a thin foam panel, and then also the back, the backpack padding. There's no padding on this side of the bag, it's just a nylon piece of fabric. However, it will be protected with all your clothes and gear on this side. And this thing is sewn in a few inches from the side and the bottom of the pack to offer you some additional protection. I like this design because it doesn't take up any room in your pack if you're not traveling with your laptop. I often find that bags with dedicated laptop compartments take up a huge amount of space in the pack, which is wasted if you're not carrying your laptop. And if you are worried about damaging your laptop in this pack, then you can always put it in an additional padded sleeve. Packing this bag is easy. It holds a lot more than bags with similar dimensions because it makes a really good use of space. I'll do a quick packing demo to show you what I have in this bag and how much it can hold. The goal with traveling with a bag like this is to pack enough gear and clothes for indefinite world travel in a small bag that allows you a lot of freedom and flexibility on the road, not to mention savings with checked carry fees. I like to use compression cubes because you can fit a lot more clothes in a much smaller space. However, this is still a very small bag, so I'm only taking 3 outfits total, 2 that I'm packing in here and 1 that I'll be wearing, meaning I'm gonna have to do laundry on the road every 3 days. In this 14 by 10 Eagle Creek compression cube, I have 1 pair of pants, shorts, 2 t-shirts, long sleeve button-up shirt, 2 socks, and 2 underwear. And then just the rest of the items real quick. I have a little windbreaker, travel backpack, flashlight, water bottle, travel towel, sunglasses, toiletry kit, little kit for my camera, and then some other small electronics, accessories, sandals, and a few games. These are the clothes. Those 2 full sets of clothes fit in this one tiny little packing cube. This thing is 10 by 14 and it fits right in the bottom of that bag pretty good. My toiletry kit kind of nestles in there. And then my camera, travel backpack, windbreaker, and then a little water bottle. You have quite a bit of room in these 2 pockets. They're about the same size. This one goes down to about here. I'm not gonna put a ton of stuff in here. My flashlight, and then this mesh pocket, I'm just gonna put a battery pack and travel adapter. As you can see, I still have a few inches here on the top of the main compartment that you could put something. I'm just gonna put a little pair of sandals in there and close it up. This front pocket is pretty large. I'm using a little pouch here to kind of store some of these smaller items, earbuds, and some kind of travel games. And then towel, sunglasses. Probably gonna have these on me when I'm traveling, but just stick them in there for now. This is what that bag looks like fully packed, all that gear I had in there. It's still very light. This thing weighs under 2 pounds empty, so all the gear in there, this is not gonna be a ton of weight on my back. And 28 liters, I still have enough room for more gear if I wanna put water, snacks, souvenirs, something I find on the road. This is what the Military 28 looks like on me, fully packed. Again, this thing is very comfortable considering it's a relatively inexpensive bag. Sits well on my back, shoulder straps are curved, padded and comfortable. The back padding is nice and comfortable. Straps are easy to adjust, sternum strap. Again, this is something I could wear around all day, no problem. I like Cabin Zero because they make high quality packs with good solid materials. They have simple designs while being lightweight and inexpensive. The Military 28 is a great personal item backpack. It has a large capacity while still fitting under the seat on most airlines. And this is from a bag that I got off the Cabin Zero website for $70. My biggest con in this pack is this big non-removable logo. And then the MOLLE webbing on the back gives the bag kind of a tactical look. This could be good or bad depending on how you like it. If you don't like this look, then the Cabin Zero Classic 28 is almost an identical pack, but with a less comfortable backpack carry system. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Cabin Zero Military 28 travel backpack. I'll be doing reviews on more personal item size bags over the next few months, so hope you stick around for those, and thanks for watching.